Good morning, everybody. Jean, True Love Quilts for you. Just a few minute video this morning. It's the morning of March the 10th, 2023, and I had just finished editing a video that I had made earlier in the week about my carpenter star quilt that will be coming. I've scheduled it for, I believe, tomorrow or Sunday, the next step of my carpenter star quilt. But I just wanted to acknowledge something that dreadful has happened. Most probably have seen the news of what's happened in Germany, in Hamburg, Germany. On March 9th, 2023, a shooter attacked the Hamburg Winterhude Kingdom Hall. A Kingdom Hall is the building known where Jehovah's Witnesses meet. Instead of calling it a church, you wouldn't call a synagogue a church. It's a Kingdom Hall where we attend our weekly meetings and our weekend meetings. After the midweek meeting had concluded, that was on Thursday, sadly, 4 of our brothers, 2 sisters, and a sister's unborn child were killed in this shooting. Several other brothers and sisters were injured. We appreciate the courageous help provided by the police. Our prayers are with those affected by the attack. We are confident that the Jehovah, the God of peace, will continue to be a refuge and strength in this time of distress. Now, I don't want to get into anybody's religious beliefs because everybody is entitled to their own beliefs, and I respect that. And I know that the majority, 99 and 9/10% of my followers, respect our beliefs as one of Jehovah's Witnesses. This has really touched us because, as you know, with our friend Jen and our family and our congregation, we do view our brotherhood, the organization of Jehovah's Witnesses, as our brothers and sisters. So this really touched us because we do know that we are a targeted group. People don't like Jehovah's Witnesses for whatever their own reasons are or beliefs. I just wanted to acknowledge that when we say our God is a God of peace, so many blame God. If there's a loving God, you have to ask yourself just one question. The earth is full of such beautiful things, the mountains and the rivers and playful animals and beautiful little babies and gorgeous sunsets and beaches and paradise all around us, beautiful food. If we have the blessing to be blessed with these things, no matter where you go, there's beauty, the sunshine. The sun shines on evil people and good people. So we have to ask ourselves just one question: if our God is a God of peace, why do these terrible things keep happening? It has to be from another wicked source, absolutely, who's wreaking havoc on this world that we live in. Anyway, I just wanted to express my prayers, that my fervent prayers go out to the remaining ones who have survived this horrific ordeal. And those shootings, the mass shootings everywhere, every day, it seems we all get confused that, oh, there was another mass shooting at a school. It's such a terrible, terrible, wicked world we live in. So I just wanted to express that whatever your beliefs are, we have to keep these people in our prayers, the families of these individuals who've suffered a horrific attack. It could have been me. It could have been us. It could have been the True Loves. It could have been my friend Jen. It could have been all of our friends in our congregation. And you're not really safe anywhere. So please, I keep saying, everybody, keep safe. Time and unforeseen occurrence befall us all, as Ecclesiastes says. And yeah, we just have to keep our hope and our faith alive. So anyway, please, everybody, we love you. The True Loves love you. Keep safe and warm. All right. Love from all of us. Bye-bye.